But the good news is that
Mm.
kanina nga o nung isang araw
Mm.
ay kanselado na ang pasaporte nitong si Harry Roque,
Mhm.
and then since canceled ang passport ay
Mm.
limitado na ang kanyang mobility, no? At hindi na siya basta-basta makakalakad. At
Oo.
itong pagkansela nga ng passport na to, siguro natakot na din tong Harry Roque.
Mm.
He decided to file an appeal or motion for reconsideration in the
Mm.
court that rejected or canceled this passport. Sa Pasig yata to. So, but the possibility of granting his motion is very remote because of the fact that he is already considered as a fugitive from justice. But
Nagtatago na,
yung kanyang,
partner.
oo,
Oo.
natatago na siya eh. Pero
Mm.
according to his motion, ay he cannot be classified as a fugitive from justice because when the case was filed against him, he is no longer within the territory of the Philippines. He is already in the Netherlands. So ang ibig niya
Ibig sabihin,
sabihin,
oh,
hindi ko pa alam na may kaso ako ng human trafficking sa Pilipinas nung ako ay pumunta sa Netherlands. So
mm.
therefore, I may not be considered as a fugitive from justice because the law provides that a
Mm.
fugitive, according to the definition of the law, sabi niya, itong contention niya, traditionally daw kasi, ang
Mm.
interpretation pagdating sa fugitive is someone who flees, no? Someone who flees, isang taong tumakas, nagtago after a warrant of arrest has already been issued by a competent court
Yun,
and
oo.
trying to evade prosecution.
Yun,
Sabi ni
fugitive.
ni
Oo.
Harry Roque.
Oho.
Pero sabi ng korte na malamang hindi i-grant ang kanyang motion is because of the fact na hindi ganyan ang interpretation ng batas. You are trying to show to the people the literal interpretation of the law.
Mm.
In this case, you should not read the law literally, but you should interpret the law broadly according to the method of ano tawag doon, liberal application o liberal interpretation of the law. Kasi alam mo partner,
Mhm.
sa aming mga abogado,
Yes po,
pag kami
attorney.
gumagawa ng pleadings at nagsusumite sa korte
Mm.
ng aming legal position, dalawang interpretation kadalasan ang ginagawa dyan.
Oo.
Pero sa parte ko, ako more of a liberal interpretation of the law. But sometimes there are, katulad nitong si Roque, ang
Mm.
ginawa niya, yung method of literalism. Kumbaga, binasa
Ah,
niya lang literal yung batas. Sabi
okay.
sa batas, a fugitive is someone who flees after a warrant of arrest has been issued
Issued.
by a competent court trying to avoid the prosecution or trying
Okay.
to evade prosecution.
Prosecution.
That is literal lang ano niya diyan,
Sa
basa niya
pagkakaano
diyan.
sa
Sabi niya,
fugitive, oo.
hindi naman ako tumakas nung inisyu yung warrant eh. Actually, nung inisyu yung warrant, nandun na ako eh. Hindi
Mm.
ako tumakas. Nandito na ako sa Netherlands eh. Sabi niya.
Ah,
Parang sabi
okay.
ni Judge, teka muna, that
Mm.
is not the broad interpretation of the law. The law provides that if you will try to liberally construe the law, ang interpretation diyan is that even though you are already in Netherlands, sabi ni
Mm.
Judge,
Oo.
ang interpretation diyan ay if you knowingly, no,
Mm.
uh, if you are aware of the fact that,
Mm.
no, the warrant of arrest has already been issued to you even though you are not within the Philippine territory, and you refuse to come back to the
The
Philippines,
Philippines, uh-huh.
that falls within the definition of fugitive
Fugitive.
from justice. Your
Oh.
refusal after knowing the fact
Mm.
that there is already a warrant of arrest is you are already classified as a
Oh,
fugitive from justice. Yun ang
ayun.
sabi niya. No? Hindi kailangan nga mauna ang warrant habang nandito ka tapos tumakbo ka. Yun ang
Oo.
fugitive sa pagkakaintindi
Intindi
mo.
niya,
Pero
oo.
in this case, hindi ganyan. Kahit nasang lugar ka, kahit ngayon pa lang inisyo ang warrant of arrest, and
Mm.
then you are already aware of the fact that there is already an existing warrant of arrest,
Mm.
tapos you refuse, despite
Mm.
the fact na may warrant ka, you refuse to come back in the Philippines, you are already evading prosecution. Therefore, you are already classified
As
as a fugitive
fugitive.
from justice. Iyon.
Oh, and that is our
Oo.
lesson for the day. Oh,
Yeah, the definition of fugitive
fugitive.
according to the two methods,
Oo,
no, na
literal,
ginagamit natin, liberal
liberal,
interpretation and
and literal.
literalism.
Wow, may quiz tayo
Literalism
bukas
or
ha.
literal
Oh,
interpretation of the
siya
law.
pala
Hindi mo
literal.
kasi, oo, kasi
Oo.
yung ating mga layman, sila yung madalas ganyan eh. Sabi, ay
Oo.
nabasa ko na sa libro yan, alam ko yan.
Mm.
Ayun, hindi nila alam na dalawa ang method ng pagbasa ng ating batas. May
Oo.
literal at may literal. Ayun.
Ayun.
Mas mahirap yung literal kasi dapat flexible lang pagkakaintindi mo diyan. Ibig sabihin, katulad ngayon, we are already in the digital age, no? Dapat very broad, very flexible.
Mm.
Kaya masyadong deep ang iyong pag-intindi sa
Oo.
goal and the spirit of the law. Ayan.
Ayun. Kaya siya ay fugitive pa rin talaga, partner, sa batas.
Oo. Babatiin ko si Lauren Toledo, no? At ang kanyang asawa.
Mm.
Si Lauren ay regular na
Oh,
nanonood sa atin
hello po.
at siya po ay isang abogada. Graduate siya ng Ateneo Law School. Biro mo mga big time ang
Wow.
ating mga
Hello,
tagapanood.
attorney. Mm.
Si Attorney Lauren, no? At
Mm.
kaya niya gusto magpabati sapagkat sa kasalukuyan ay alam ko siya ay nagdadalang tao. Oo.
Wow,
Gusto niya magpabati
congratulations.
dahil nagdadalang tao daw sabi
Oo.
ni Lauren. Ayan.
Oo,
So,
happy viewing.
maraming salamat no kay
Mm.
Lauren na patuloy na nanonood sa atin. Pati si Kit Detros, no? Merry Christmas kay Kit Detros
Oo.
na taga Ateneo Law School.
Wow,
Biro mo mga
bigatin,
Atenista
mga
ang ating
Ateneo.
mga
Law
Atenista ang
school.
ating pero mga
Oo.
lawyers na to. Oo.
Oo, at mga attorney, magandang gabi sa
Si
inyo.
Lalay kasi na taga Ateneo ay malapit na
Mm.
din daw siyang manganak. Ayan, kaya
Mm.
binabati natin.
Attorney Bueno, law and beyond. Learn the law, know your rights.